everybody, and welcome to another video of Ontario hiking trails. And this is my first video of 2024. And believe it or not, it is February already. February. So yeah, I'm here at Ritchie Falls. My first video of the year. You know, I had a friend tell me to make a list of all the things that make you happy and try to do them on a daily basis. And one of those things was photography. And I haven't been out. It's now February 21st, I think, or something like that. I kind of losing track of time. And yeah, this is my first outing of the year. And it's been a dark and gloomy 2024. But right now the sun is shining down on me and I am on the base of Ritchie Falls. And it's just perfect weather. It's cold, it's a little chilly, but if you dress for it, no problem. So yeah, behind me here is Ritchie Falls. Great spot. It's great for the rail trail runs right past here, so it's not used for rail anymore. It is it's a recreational trail, all-purpose trail for ATV, snowmobile, hiking, horseback riding, and this is just a great spot just outside of Haliburton. And I'm gonna set the Nikon up here. The sun is coming down. It's filtered sunlight. And I'm hoping I'm gonna get some really nice shots here today. And yeah, this is just, my spirits have lifted already, just being here. And I've been doing a lot of playing video games on my computer and Texas Hold'em poker, but I don't seem to get the satisfaction that I get out of making videos. So here we go, first video of 2024, stay tuned. All right, so this is Ritchie Falls Road. And this is the headwaters of Burnt River, Ritchie Falls. It's a great spot to come. I've got the Nikon and I'm going to take some photos. I kind of wish this wasn't all tampered down, but somebody was here before me and tamped it down. But the ice formation here looks pretty cool. And with the sun shining, it'll light it all up. You can see the bridge up there where I've got the car parked. Headwaters of the Burnt River. I should come back here in the spring when all the snow is gone. Check it out then. This is where all the water comes from when the Burnt River floods. Okay, I've taken a few shots without the filter, and now I'm going to put a filter on and slow the shutter speed down. It's kind of perfect weather. It's awesome. I love it. What makes me happy? This makes me happy. This is awesome. I need to do this more often. More than once a month. The wind's picking up, and the sun is completely gone, and it almost looks like there's a storm blowing in, but I've taken the filter off and I am now taking some photos. There's a bird up there. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a black raven, but I've taken the filter off so I can speed up the shutter and try to capture some of this snow. I might have to actually raise the ISO to 200. Maybe I'll do that so I can speed it up even more. We'll see how that works. Maybe I'll put it at 400. $400. All right, now I can get the speed up a 60th of a second. It's about as good as we can do in this darkness. Let's see if we can capture some snowflakes. I don't even care if I'm in a snowstorm. This is great. Just what the doctor ordered. It's not that cold, but I am dressed warm. It's pretty dark. I could probably brighten them up in Lightroom or raise the ISO to 800. I'm here, what the hell. ISO 100, or sorry, ISO 800. And we're going to put the speed up to 125th. Pretty much doubled it. And I did take the filter off. Ooh, the roads are going to be nasty on the way home. I think I got some snowflakes on my lens. Oh, Christ, yeah. Big time. I don't know if I keep losing my thingy. The wind is blowing right into my camera. We shall try again and see if I can get some shots without snowflakes on the lens. That should be a vlog.